Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here, and I have got something really cool to share with you, and we're not being paid. I think it's going to make your life a million times easier. I'm getting ready to make myself a special wiring harness for a special application. It's amazing. I love it. I fell into it by accident, and I got to share it with you. So let me get this soldered up, and we'll go from there. Little magnifying glass works really good. I'm using solid wire, and I do not want to crimp it, and of course the crimping never really holds for what I'm doing this application for. All right, I've got my soldering done, and I'm really happy with that. All right, so I just had to share this with you. It's an amazing tool. I am blown away by it, and again, we are not being paid to share this. I cannot reiterate this. I thought I had every tool out there, but when it came to putting a whole bunch of soldered pieces and parts together, I struggled because I was always trying to use vice grips and all that garbage. This one is amazing. It's digital readout, presets. Push that button and you can set it for 3 different temperatures. Jump back and forth if you have to. It's got a coiler here for your solder, and it works really good. You don't have to lay the wand down on the table. You don't burn yourself. You stick it in there every single time, and you're going to be kicking with the chickens. You're going to love it. I will tell you that right now. You will absolutely love it. And Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. So I would say better pick one up while you can, because they'll probably go quick now that I've mentioned it. This little lighted magnifying glass works awesome. You can really see what you're doing. And these alligator clips are nice and stiff, and you can move them and turn them however you want. Now, the only mod I would do to this is to take some of these suction cups, and that's what I'm going to do, is glue them to the feet underneath each corner, and that way I can push it down on the table and it won't move. When I want to release it, I just pull that up right there. But it's going to have its own allocated area, so that if I need to solder something, like I'm fixing a bunch of these outdoor lights right here, all I have to do is turn it on and go to town. And I've never had a soldering tool heat up as quickly as this does. It's got everything you need. So get it while you can. I'm just giving you fair warning that I am blown away by it, and you know that I never steer you wrong. And as we always say, Sweet Project Cars out.